Hello guys, welcome to my channel. On today's video I'll be showing you how I sleek my short hair into this low bun. Enjoy! Say hello to my little helper. This was a Sunday morning and she wasn't letting me leave her alone, so I just put her in my back so I can get my hair done. If you guys don't know my baby by now, check my channel and you'll find out more about my baby and yeah, don't forget to subscribe as well. So my hair, I believe I treated my hair the Saturday before this. I'm not sure what treatment it was, but I know I did like maybe a deep condition or something, and after I washed it I put it in 2 cornrows going back. So what I'm going to do next is to unravel the cornrows and detangle my hair. Now that my hair is detangled, I'm going to go ahead and make a side C part, and I'll be using my wooden comb. It's called Ilaru. Next, I put my hair in 5 small sections. I have 3 in the front and 1 in the middle and then 1 in the back. And the reason why I section my hair is so that my bun can be as sleek as possible. And so I'm going to start detangling and putting in a ponytail from the farthest in the back, and I'll work my way up. For each section I spray with some water and then apply very little Eco Styler gel. Make sure it's detangled and then I put it in a ponytail. This is my foundation, like this is my base ponytail, so this one has to be done right. So once I'm done, I will just put it in twist so that it doesn't start to tangle on me before I'm done, and then I'll just continue. Next, I'll be working on the next section, which is the middle one, and I'm just going to detangle, spritz with some water, and add some Eco Styler gel. The reason why I didn't attach each section to the base, like I took out the base every time and then I added the section I was working on, was that I didn't want to have so many ponytails in my hair. I mean, so many scrunchies, so many hair ties in my hair. I didn't want to have too many hair ties in my hair. Also, I didn't think it would lay as good as when I blend it into the base. So for every one section I worked on, I took out the base and I blended it into the base. That's really important, guys. So I took it out and blended it in. I would have just attached it, but I decided not to. If you notice, for the top, the sections on the top, I'm adding more gel because I need almost every strand of the hair to lay down flat. And see, once I'm done, I blend it in. Blending it in is very important, guys. I blend it into the base and then I put it in a ponytail together as a family. So for the last section, you just want to do the same thing: detangle, wet it, and then add your gel. And you can sleek it any way you want. I was trying to make up my mind to see if I was going to sleek it on my face or everything going back, and I decided to do everything going back, even though when I first thought about doing this hairstyle I wanted to sleek it on my face, but then I changed my mind. So just go with the flow. I'm done, and now I'm going to add everything together, blend it in well so that your ponytail will be flat, and then put it in one big happy ponytail. Once you're done putting it in a ponytail, try as much as you can to comb through your ponytail and put it in a braid or a twist, something to just stretch it out while your hair is in this state, because if you leave it, it will shrink, and when you're taking out your ponytail you almost cry when you have to detangle. The next thing I did was to add just a little gel on my hair, and then I took a very small tooth comb to run through my hair. You guys can see what I'm doing, right? So yeah, I did this because I found out that this helps me get the gel to the roots, and then it also helped me lay my hair flat. All these frizzy things standing up, you see how they'll just sleek down now. When I can feel this comb in my scalp, then I know that the gel has done well, like it has gotten to the root, and that's what I want. To achieve the bun, I'll be using 1 pack of kinky hair. I'll be adding a black hair tie to the middle of the kinky hair, and I just use one that has no metal so it doesn't snag on your hair. I make a loop and then I pull it through. That's how you attach it on there. And I was supposed to take out the gold thing, but I just was too lazy and nonchalant, and at the end of the video you will see that it showed. Wrap the hair tie around your own ponytail. Divide the kinky hair in half. Twist each side so it can be easy for you to manipulate and put in the bun. And I'm just going to go ahead and wrap it around my ponytail. Bear in mind, you need to hide that ponytail so it doesn't show. So when you're wrapping around, just make sure you have that in mind. So once I'm done twisting, I'm just going to go ahead and wrap around my head. It doesn't matter which one you put first. Just go ahead and make it work. Don't forget to hide your ponytail, your own hair, hide it. I'm just going to wrap this around, and this is how you end it. You just put it underneath the whole thing you've been wrapping all the while. At this point, I'm going to take another black hair tie and I'm going to put it over the extension so it can be firm. I'm not in love with the shape of this bun, so I'm just going to use a bobby pin to play around with it until I like the way it looks. The next thing I'll be doing is take some castor oil and put on my edges and like just at the front of my hair. You guys know we're on a mission to bring our edges back. The next thing I'm going to be doing is putting some edge control on my edges and then just laying it flat. I'm going to use the small tooth comb to make sure that the edge control is laying my hair right. Next, I'm going to use a brush to run through my edges. See the difference it makes, guys. It just lays everything flat. Like, it is so beautiful. It's really nice. The effect is different. So if you do have a brush, use. And yeah, I'm just going to use a bandana to lay my hair down, and I'll be right back. I'm ready to go now, and I'm just going to take out my bandana and see how my bun is doing. Ta-da! See my white hair, you guys. Oh god. And I'm a small girl. My god. Anyways, this is our bun. This is my bun. Our bun, my bun. I don't know. This is the bun. And I like the results. For safety reasons, I'll be adding this edge control again. I'm not sure if it's because I used a bandana. Bandana is made out of cotton. I'm thinking that's why I'm having some frizzes. I should have used a satin or a silk scarf, something like that. Edge control to the rescue. Next, I'm just going to be accessorizing my hair with this cute bow, and it has a clip, and I just clip it to the Marley hair. And there we go, low bun all done. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. We're almost at 1K. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe and thumbs up for more interesting videos. Until next time, be the best version of you. Bye.